With DocuSign Agreement Manager in Dynamics 365, you can access key agreement details directly from Dynamics, such as file and party names, agreement type, contract value, effective date, and expiration date. To view agreement data, you must have an IAM plan that includes access to the Agreement Manager and the Dynamics 365 connector, and your administrator must add the DocuSign Agreements component to your Dynamics layouts. To start, open a Dynamics 365 record and click the DocuSign Agreements component. This component displays the agreements sent from the record you are viewing and from any related child record. This makes it easy to view the full agreement history without needing to navigate to multiple records in Dynamics. You can review the related agreements and agreement details, use the search box and filters to locate a specific agreement, and customize the columns to display the information that you need. You can also click an agreement file name to open it in the Agreement Manager and preview the document, view, and/or edit the agreement attributes. For example, an account manager preparing to send a renewal agreement to a customer can view all the agreements previously signed by the customer. They can also quickly see if the customer has already signed an NDA and if it is still valid. They can use the search feature to locate the previous contract, view the terms they previously agreed on, and preview the document in the Agreement Manager for more information.